Dr. Shoham, you know, obviously, if the plasma treatment works out to be effective and it becomes something available, this, however, does not replace the vaccine.
Correct. They're complementary. I like to think of it as you can wear a belt and suspenders, that it's important to have different approaches to dealing with issues. So for some people, the vaccine may not be appropriate. For some people, the vaccine may not work. For some people, the vaccine may not be available if there's production problems. So plasma can come in as a supplementary item if it works to provide people with protection and to provide people with treatment in the case that they get the vaccine and they break through, for example.
That's right. And more volunteers, the better, right?
Absolutely. I am incredibly grateful for volunteers that are part of the trial, like Dr. Jibo and Nicholas, because that is the only way that we really make progress to find out what works.
Absolutely. Dr. Jibo, I want to end with you. I want to ask you, as an ID doctor, infectious disease doctor, on the front lines, you've studied this viruses and the like your whole career. What would you have done differently about how we have dealt with the virus so we wouldn't be where we are now as a country?
Well, I think we've learned as we've gone along, and it doesn't help to really look back because we can't change the past. I think looking forward and trying to continue with getting our flu shots and all the things we can do to try to reduce things moving forward are the most important things we can do.
Yeah, and I just have to ask you this also. You know, we've seen other countries literally shut down. I mean, really tighten it up, and they fared so well after doing that. Do you think that we should have, or may it be necessary for us as a country to maybe say, listen, we're going to lock down 4 to 6 weeks, get this under better control, and then go forward?
Well, lockdowns are complicated, and I think that there's reasons that we might have to do that for certain communities, and I think we're going to have to watch hotspots. You know, we saw what happened in New York and how their response actually really improved things. And then recently they've had to lock down certain communities again because they flared up as hotspots. So I would hope we wouldn't have to have a national lockdown, but if we needed to do it focally, that may be one of the solutions we do. You know, whether we develop a national mask mandate is a whole other question. But I think that those types of things will help us with moving forward in a successful way.
Well said indeed. Dr. Shoham, thank you for educating us all about this trial. We're going to try to get as many people there as possible. It's so important to the entire country, for the world, for that matter. We need all of this to work together. And Nicholas and Dr. Jibo, glad you both are feeling well, and thanks for sharing your experience, and of course, being part of the COVID treatment option trial. We appreciate you.
Thank you.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you.
And for more information on how you can potentially be part of this trial or tell a friend or a loved one, just visit our website, thedoctorstv.com.